On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram CSRF token missing easily and fast. First thing you wanna do, guys, is open the settings on your phone and then open the apps manager like this. Go to the apps here in the top, and then you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading the apps that you have on your phone. After that, after it get loaded, then you have to scroll all the way until you find the Instagram app. Click on it. Now all what you want to do here is click on this force stop option and then go down, click on the storage, click on clear data, clear cache to clear all the internal data in your app. After that, you have to update your Instagram in the App Store if you have iPhone or the Play Store if you have Android. That's it, guys, for today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the very end. See you later.